Hi and welcome back to Dirtbike Magazine's video series, The 19s, where we take you up close and personal with all the 2019 motocross models. Today, as you can see, we're getting a chance to ride the 2019 RMZ 450 from Suzuki. So last year, Suzuki made huge changes to the 2018 RMZ 450 model. This year, not very many changes. About the only real significant changes that we could tell you about is a lighter spring on the rear shock, and then there's some graphic changes. Other than that, this is basically the same exact bike that was brought out in 2018, refined it a little bit, and now this is their 19 model. For all the down and dirty details, head over to dirtbikemagazine.com. It's time to go ride this thing. First day of testing over on the 2019 RMZ 450. No big surprises here. It's basically the same as the 2018 model. We've ridden it all year long. We've made some minor improvements to it. They did put a lighter shock spring on the rear. We think to kind of hold the bike down going into turns and through turns, but it still has a back end high feel. It's difficult for us to find an overall balance that multiple test riders liked. All the people that rode the motorcycle today did comment on the power is a smooth linear power, almost an electric feel. And we've come kind of accustomed to Suzuki having that type of engine feel. Again, this is the first day of testing on the 2019 RMZ 450. We plan on putting a lot more time on this motorcycle, and we're ready to put it up against all the other manufacturers' 450cc motorcycles and see how it comes out in the 2019 shootout. For all the latest off-road industry news, check out dirtbikemagazine.com. And if you got some more time on your hands, check out these other 450 videos.